Hey you guys, and welcome back. So pretty much I have been decluttering my closet for the last couple of days, and I have called back up. My friend is here so she can help me kind of like situate things. One of the things that I feel like I need to get rid of is some of the boxes from my first luxury buys when I was a single gal. I'm no longer single, so now I feel like maybe it's time to kind of move on. Also, this was before my engagement, so if you don't see my ring or you hear me say boyfriend, just keep in mind this was before the engagement. Like, these were like the first things that I purchased for myself. It was me working, making my own money, and I made my shit. Like these, baby. Oh, let me be clear and let me say this, and this is no shade to nobody. This wasn't no child support check. This wasn't no alimony. This wasn't no I want you back. This wasn't girl, that thing good. It wasn't none of that. It was me waking up every day.
Straight hustle.
Hustle. Cause like my Hermes blanket box is in here. So it's like, should I hold on to it?
I think if you are going to keep, you need to keep the notable ones. Meaning, if it's a bag that
I'm keeping the
vintage,
bags. Now they my bags.
No, right, but the box. If it goes like with the vintage bag, keep the box.
No, nothing is vintage. Okay. Everything is like pretty much new.
You Chanel.
You guys remember? Listen, I don't know if y'all remember this. I did a video and boy, y'all clowned me because I was like, I ain't never spent $2,000 on a bag. And I don't know if I'm going to keep it. My mama told me to buy it, but I think she crazy anyway.
And you still got it.
I still got it. But baby, my stomach was turning for like a whole 2 weeks. Mm-hmm. Like, why did you do that? Why did you do that? That scarcity mindset is very real.
Yeah.
And my mama was like, you have the money, buy it. I was like, okay, here you go. I was slow walk out Louis like this. I shouldn't have bought it. I shouldn't have took my mama with me. I shouldn't have bought it. Mama, you a bad influence. She was like, girl, buy it. Girl, listen, now I got a whole bunch more. I think that was like the breaking the ice for me.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was the icebreaker. But baby, I was scared. I said, what I'm gonna eat tomorrow? Mind you, I have money. I'm like, what am I gonna eat? I'm gonna have ramen noodles.
Chanel box you keep. That's
Chanel
a no-brainer.
box?
Chanel box you keep, no brainer.
Okay, because like these are my first, like I bought my first red bottoms.
You can get rid of that. No, I'm just saying, I mean.
Okay, listen.
That is sentimental. The
like,
Chanel box is an investment.
Right. No, this is sentimental. Okay, this is like my first YSL shoot. Oh, this one here goes to that snakeskin Louis. This box.
Okay, I would potentially keep that one.
Okay, this is for the snakeskin Louis bag.
Because the thing is that people, if you want to resell, they gonna want all of this. It'll give you more.
No,
value.
I'm not reselling nothing.
Okay.
And I know that for a fact because I've sold like some of my other ones.
Okay.
Even like things that were gifted to me, like I've sold those already. Like these are bags that I really sat down for like 5, 6, 7, 8 a year. And after a year, I was like, okay, I still want it.
Yeah.
Like I'm not an impulse buyer. Mm-hmm. So these are like, I'm never getting rid of those. I know that for a fact. Okay, this is the Chanel.
That's not an option.
Yeah,
is it in there? Oh.
What's in there?
I thought the Chanel was still in there.
That little small Chanel little.
No, it's cute, but you don't have to keep that. Not for the earrings. Mm-mm.
This is my first time. I'm gonna keep this one because this was a gift from my cousin, and she don't really spend no money.
Okay.
Yeah, she don't really spend no money.
Keep.
Okay.
I don't know what was in it, but keep.
Girl, I thought I was balling, child.
You were.
Look at this. I had no business being single, spending that kind of money.
I'm single. Not often.
No, I don't do it. This is my scarf. This scarf. This was my first.
Yeah.
Right? It's so sentimental, your first. Why you being like that? Is this
They're
what hoarding feels like?
I mean, I still got my boxes, so I don't know why I'm hoping you throw yours. I've been in the same conflict.
Girl, these are my birth. Hold on now. Hold on a minute. Oh, this is my Fendi headband. No, this was a gift from Jermaine.
Oh, okay. I'm glad you looked.
Yeah, no, this was a gift from him. I don't know what this was, but I'll put it in this box. I gotta keep this because this was when Louis was brown and my wallet came in here.
Yeah.
You wouldn't have done nothing. You would just, took that bullet and did your thing, Chad.
You putting all these up there?
Yes.
What do you want next? This or no?
Give me all the big boxes, because I'm a stand the little ones up.
All that.
I could put the other boxes right there.
Yeah, I think it would be a good balance. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. Which ones? These?
She let me keep the boxes, y'all.
For aesthetic purposes.
Yeah, for aesthetic, they say.
So, what do you want to put over there?
Well, give me the
Still locked.
Yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna do this. Okay. What did it look like?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe these need to be adjusted since you moved the Chanel looks crooked. I mean, it's crooked because you were angling it, but
Okay.
it looks, now there's a gap.
Okay.
Maybe put them a little bit closer. Yeah.
I'm gonna stop recording. We're gonna focus on trying to clean up and getting some of these boxes open. But I like it. I just didn't want to have boxes like I did in my last closet, because like I had a whole bunch of boxes up here and stuff, and I was like, oh, we're getting a little too boxed out. I don't need that much, but I do want to keep the little first and things that, I really feel like I love this right here a lot more than I love this one, but it's okay. All right, so we currently don't have a light fixture here, so I'm gonna let you guys see this room. We're trying to get it cleaned up. This is the new light fixture that's gonna be going up in here, and we have a ceiling fan, and so I'm going to put it up. You said what?
Do you like it better or no?
I like either or, because the finish kind of transitions from the bedroom to here to the closet really nicely. So you guys, here's the light fixture, and it looks so good. All right, so the light that I showed you guys in the beginning of the video, when I put it up, it actually did not work. That's gonna go into my office downstairs, but I did end up installing this one here, which actually ended up working out really nice. I called Babe. He said it wasn't too girly. He liked it, and so I installed that. For those of you that are not new to my channel, I know how to install a light fixture. For those of you that are new to my channel, I know how to install a light fixture. All right, back to the video. All right, so here is the raw, unedited version of what it looks like to move and everything like that. We're moving really slow, you guys, so bear with me, okay? We have to pretty much demo the entire downstairs, so we have a lot of boxes that are still packed, but things are slowly moving. These two sheds are from Bernhardt. I have to get them reupholstered. Let me see. Look at this. It looks so good. I hate the carpet. I hate the carpet. I hate the carpet. But for right now, the carpet is what it is. I've got my shoes here, my sunglasses. I think I shared a couple of videos back that I am missing some things and I am looking for them. I have my shoes here. Today when I was unpacking, I saw some shoes And so I think I'm missing some shoes too. Y'all, let me just tell you something. It's a lot. This is the light in my closet, and then you're gonna go to the light in the sitting room, and you see how that has the yellow hue. That is done on purpose. I didn't want every single room in the house to have daylight. That's that, and I absolutely love it. And it's crazy because now that I'm in the room, it looks white, right? But when I step back and I actually come into the room that's white, you can see it's yellow. But I love this here. I love my little workstation in the corner. That's where I'm going to be working because my office, again, we don't want to put too much in here. I love, love, love this feature wall. This is also yellow light in here. Pretty much, let me just share with you guys. These are Krypton fabrics. And so I have this really pretty creamy color, which was going to be used to change my day bed. But when I tell you this right here is 3 times wider than my bed, and I'm learning a very valuable lesson. I don't want to do any more creamy colors. I want to just try to do like a taupe or oatmeal. I am staying away from such white, even though it's a performance fabric, I'm just gonna stay away from it. So this is the chocolate color that's going to go on to the chaise. I want to have a really great balance between masculine and feminine. Considering we're going to be here, I want it to be a reflection of both of us. I started doing it at the other house. Like, I sold the artwork, I changed out the lamps, because if you guys remember, my lamps were very, very girly. These here, I would consider to be a bit more masculine, right? And I think I shared in the video prior how you can defeminize your space. I should do a video on that. But anyway, the fireplace, I will be doing a grass cloth in black. And it's really giving like this black blue color, which is going to be amazing. I've always done the peel and stick. In this house, I am actually going to be implementing real wallpaper. You guys probably won't see this until next year, just because I'm kind of planning everything out and I'm budgeting it out. And y'all might not even see the fireplace in the room wallpaper. It could take another year, just because I really want to get downstairs knocked the hell out. I hope you guys enjoy my background, because I absolutely love it. I wasn't planning on this being even like a background or anything like that. I don't know. I'm gonna see what babe say, but I'm thinking putting a piece of artwork above and not putting a TV right there. But he might want a TV, and the only reason why I'm saying that is we might put a TV on that wall instead. That way the TV sit in the sitting room and not in the actual bedroom. Even though I built this big fireplace for the TV, I would prefer it to be in the sitting room now that I'm like sitting in here and I'm like, this could be like a really good recording spot. Not only that, I just want you to see, since we're really, I really love it. It's just giving. I love this house. Closing.
Big mama.
I don't want to miss out on a great opportunity with the house because it's dark. But then I know like my work relies on me having a really bright house. As much as y'all don't want to hear it, us creating content, you want to have an open space, a lot of light coming in, natural light, because with the natural light, it doesn't manipulate the color, right? And you can really see the color of things and all of that stuff. And I get really good lighting in our bedroom, which that's fine. But one of the things that we're currently discussing is when we do the kitchen, to just having a budget for windows, which is why I say y'all might not see this wallpaper, because with the windows, what we're trying to do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, changing out 6 windows. I think part of the reason why the house has this like shadow is the fact that the sun sets on this side right here. So either way it goes, there's gonna be this kind of like cast, and the house is also downhill, which also creates another cast, because like I feel like we're sitting in a shadow. the amount of space. Like, I get to have an office downstairs. I get to have a girl's sitting room. He gets to have like his man cave on the 3rd floor. And we have a guest room. And everyone is just going to be really, really comfortable in the house. Like, I love that. And I think a lot of times, something that people don't really think about, at least I want to think about it. And I always say this, but as an interior designer, you have to think like troubleshoot, right? And so we are a blended family. And I'm just going to be honest. Sometimes we just don't want to be with each other all the time, right? And so the fact that there's like 3 levels, it's like someone's here, someone's here, someone's here. So if the kids have an attitude with each other, they don't got to be in the same space. If me and Babe is having one of our moments, he could be upstairs and I could be right here. Or I could be downstairs and he could be there. But there's a whole entire floor in between us. Like, problem solved, okay? And then before we go to bed, we go into that prayer room and we figure it out, okay? But realistically, you have to think of the overall functionality of your house and how you're going to maneuver when you're trying to think of your forever home and what that's going to look like. And so I do feel like overall, in terms of purchase, this was a really, really great buy, because the 3rd floor for me was the bonus, because he gets to have his company and I still get to have a quiet floor, which is always a plus in my book. Okay? What'd you say, babe? I thought you was going to say something.
I agree.
Huh?
Yeah, everybody gets some space.
Everybody gets space. And that's really what it kind of boils down to, is just all of us have space. And so when I feel like being up underneath him, I'm just going to go over there. You see, I could just go up under there and go lay with him.
I got you with me.
What'd you say?
I got you with me.
That was cute.